Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I completed the Tack It Method using holographic glitter. And this glitter is actually from Glitzy Creations. The color here is Ava's Violet. And I'm going to be showing you using another color today. So first, I want to give you your product list, everything that we're going to need to complete this. So first we have our tumbler. This one I got from Dope and Crafty. It's the straight up dope 20 ounce and it's already been sanded and prepped. You're going to need your Tack It. I'm going to be using a medicine cup with one part water, and you'll see that we'll mix the tack it into it afterwards. We're going to need a paintbrush, or you can use your glove finger, whichever one you prefer, to actually apply the solution. And then you're going to need your holographic glitter. This one is Disco Ball from Glitzy Creations. Look at that. Oh my goodness, the shimmer on that is ridiculous. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add our Tack It to our water. So like I said, your solution should be 1 part water, 1 part Tack It. I'm going to go ahead and add that now. Alright, so we've already mixed our solutions, 1 part water, 1 part Tack It. I'm going to grab a clean popsicle stick or anything that you use to mix your solutions, and I'm just gonna stir it until it looks like it's mixed pretty well. The first time I did this, the solution to me looked a little bit too watery, so if you need to add a little bit more Tack It, go ahead and do that, but you don't want the solution to be too thick, because when you get ready to rub the glitter off, it'll be a little difficult to do so. Alright. So this is what we got. Okay. I think I'm going to add just a little bit more for good measure. Alright. Looks good to me. Alright, so I'll put this over to the side. Alright, so now like I mentioned, we have our holographic glitter, and I'm going to go ahead and pour this in a jar so it'll be easier for me to apply it. Alright, so now we have our paintbrush and we have our tumbler. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and apply this. You want to apply to the entire tumbler. Try not to have it too streaky. Try to get it as even as you can. And normally I do try to base coat and spray paint the cup to match whatever glitter I'm going to be using, but I didn't have any silver, so I'm just going to do white for this. So it will be a little bit hard to see. I mean, I can see where it is, but it is white when you apply it, but when it's dry, it's going to dry clear. And we want to do the entire tumbler. Uh-oh, looks like I got a little bit of glitter on my cup. Grab a baby wipe and get that off. It's like when you're working with glitter, it gets everywhere, so sometimes I will find a random speck somewhere it should not be. All right. Alright, you want to make sure you get your bottom as well. Alright, and we're going to do this 2 more times. This is going to be my second coat. And again, you want to cover the cup. You don't want to saturate it. You want to get nice coverage, but you don't want it to be streaky. And again, even though it's white, you can kind of see where you've been because it'll be glossy compared to a matte color. But if you spray painted your cup the color to match your glitter, it'll be a lot easier to see. Alright, so now we're back and my tumbler is dry, and you know that it's dry when you touch it. It'll have a tacky feeling to it, so we're good to go. Alright, so now what we're going to do is apply our holographic glitter, and I added it to a shaker bottle so it'll be easier to apply. So, and you have the option to do this. I tried it without a glove finger and I didn't really like the feeling of all the glitter stuck on my hand, so I'm gonna do this with a glove finger today. Okay, I'm gonna pop open our glitter and we're gonna start pouring. So I have my parchment paper here to catch my glitter so hopefully I don't make too much of a mess, but you're just gonna cover the entire tumbler like you normally would if you were glittering a tumbler, and we'll go ahead and get started. Ooh, look at that already, it's gorgeous. I'm gonna take my scissors to tap that off. Okay, and then for the bottom, I normally just take it and just kind of smush it in the glitter until I got everything covered. Alright, That looks pretty good. Oh my goodness, look at that. All right, so we have it covered. I see one little spot here. So now we're ready for the next step. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take our gloved hand, or whatever you prefer, and we're going to just rub down the tumbler. Okay, so you can just start wherever you want, but once you start rubbing, you can see the difference, and I'll show you here in just a second. So, and you don't want to rub too hard. Let's see if you can see the difference there. So see, this is where I rubbed, and this is where we still have our regular glitter. So you can see that holographic is starting to come through. All right, now we're gonna get your bottom. Yeah, so all the glitter I have on my glove would be on my hand. So yeah. All right, there you have it. Tack It Method using the holographic glitter. We're all done. So now from this point, if you want to epoxy, or if you use any other method to seal your tumblers, you could go ahead and do that now. And if you don't plan on putting a design on it, then you will be done. All right, thank you guys so much for watching.